Keep your hands, arms, feet, legs inside of my boat at all times, and watch your children. I will not. Just like that, we're clear for this match. Everyone wave goodbye to my lovely Skips. Goodbye, Skips. See you in about 6 months. Everyone wave goodbye to the nice people waiting in line. Goodbye, people waiting in line. You have another hour of waiting. I hope you brought snacks. Yes, the only snack on this boat is the one driving right now. Welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise, folks. I shall be your skipper, Skipper Nigel. I shall be your navigator, your life instructor. And if you don't laugh at my jokes, well, then your swim instructor. Here in the Amazon, it rains about 365 days a year. If you look to my left and to my right, you'll see these beautiful monarch butterflies. These butterflies are going to be approximately 12 inches in length. That's the entire foot and not a hand.
I'm just filming here.
You hear that, folks? If you look to my right-hand side, you shall see Inspiration Falls. Everyone say, ooh. Everyone say, ah. That's inspiration if I ever heard it, folks. The more you stare at it, the more you want to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle. Speaking of which, folks, we've just reached the Congo River. So let's see how far we can go. Please be advised that one of my skippers is currently missing. His name is Skipper Felix. If we do see him, please make me aware we miss him terribly. Also, if you have yet to see the live-action Jungle Book, that's right over there. The Skips and I came up with a tremendous idea to get rich quicker, so we started renting out our own personal boats. We even opened up a cafe, so let's see how business is going. Skips, it's not break time yet. Where'd you go? Unless something scared them off. Oh my goodness, folks, that's a python. Let's get away from that. Hey, that's a little crush on you. I'm sorry, Mrs. Snake. I'm not cruel commitment. I'm gonna stop my cap real quick to pick up a few things, and we'll be on. What are you doing, my cap? There's your dynamite shape. You painted it blue! Right, folks, I've had enough of this monkey business. I'm gonna make like a banana and split. Speaking of splitting, folks, we're now on the Nile River, which reaches for 4,000 miles, and miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, then you're in disbelief. Over here to my right-hand side, we have my best friend. He's laughing out. His name's Chris. Say hello, Chris. Oh, I love you too, Chris. Now, don't tell Chris this, but I have another best friend. He lives right over here. His name's Evans. Say hello, Evans. Oh my goodness, folks, what a treat we have today. I can't believe it. We have a celebrity here. It's The Rock. The Rock. A lot of people like to take it for granted. Here we are, folks, on the most educational portion of our tour. Back there we have the reindeer. Over there we have the things that killed Mufasa. Over there in the tree we have some brown fluffy chickens. And over there on the rock, no pun intended, we have a sleeping zebra. Look, children, sleeping. May he rest in peace. Oh, there you are, Felix. We've been looking for you. What are you doing, you silly goose? I told you not to engage with the rhinos. Well, now he's going to get the point again, isn't he? Right, I don't have time for that. Good luck! See, folks, I saw nothing, and you saw nothing, therefore there's no reward. Oh my God, folks. I hear there's danger afoot. How terrifying is this? Those cerebral are standing there menacingly. We have to get out of here. Unfortunately, the photo only goes 3 miles an hour. People like the other say, Nigel, how come you never watched what you said about trying to crash through last week? I was like, tell him, I know this jungle like the back of my... Everyone, lay to the right! Lay to the right, folks, lay to the right! As I was saying before, I know this jungle like the back of my hand. That's you. People like say, Nigel, how did you land your job here at the Jungle Cruise? I like to tell them. They gave me a crash course, and ever since then I've just been winging it. Oh my goodness, folks, we just landed in hippo territory. These are incredibly vicious animals. They look very hungry. Let me see if I have any marbles to feed them. Oh, would you look at that? I lost my marbles years ago. It looks like they're going to charge this boat too. I hope they take cash. Hey! Go over my boat! I love you, Tell me about some money, come meet my parents. And just like my last relationship, I've scared them off successfully. However, I failed to realize I'm now heading toward headhunter territory. These people do not like me, folks, and what in tartan nation is that? It's just offensive. Shh, everyone, remain quiet, remain quiet. Oh, they're just standing there, menacingly. I skipped strongly to keep my eye out for some kind of bush out here. It began with an A. I believe it was called an ambush. Well, that's awkward. If you look up there, folks, there's a hibiscus. If you look down there, there's a lobiscus. Look at this, folks, we've made it. It's the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. O-C-H. Did you all feel that refreshing mist on your face? Yes, and I have over 6,000 different types of bacteria on your skin. Welcome to the Mekong River, folks. Over here to my right, we have a statue of the legendary Shirley. To my left in the ruins, we have a temple. Yes, it says Shirley's Temple. And above us, we have the original monorail system. And that's my weird pet dog. His name's Ginger. He snaps. Oh my goodness, folks. This looks like a root canal. Painful and uncomfortable. I shall keep my eyes closed. You keep yours open. Good luck. There's no knowing where we're going. Trunks. These hermit have lots of woozles. Aw, folks, look how beautiful this is. This is nature just wonderful. We have two babies feeding underneath the full moon. Dwayne, I see you hiding behind that rock, not slick. Dwayne, stop throwing yourself, Mark. Whoa! Did you know that elephants have the best memory of the entire animal kingdom? I wish I had a memory like that. Everyone, Jack! A lot of people like to think that's water that comes out of their trunks. It's not. During this portion of the tour, I'd like to list off a few of my favorite plants in my name. Over here we have Robert. That one's Kyle. Oh, that one's my favorite. That one's Beyonce. Oh, so that's where my pants went. Folks, we're now approaching the most terrifying portion of our tour, the return to civilization, which means keep your hands, arms, feet, legs aside the boat at all times until we are properly docked.